The United States Environmental Protection Agency requires local sewage treatment plants to meet increasingly lower discharge limits for mercury in the water and the sludge they generate. The dental industry has been documented by several studies, including the Environmental Report paid for by the ADA, as a contributor to this waste. In fact, studies have estimated that in 2002, the dental industry alone discharged over 6 tons of mercury into the environment. For this reason, many state regulators and local sewage treatment plants are requiring dental offices to install amalgam separators. SolmeteX developed the Hg5 series of amalgam separators to assist the dental community with capturing amalgam and mercury, helping to prevent these materials from entering the wastewater stream. SolmeteX, the leader in dental amalgam separator technology, introduces the Hg5 and the Hg5 Mini, 2 sophisticated systems that enable dentists to capture and, most importantly, properly dispose of virtually all of the mercury discharge they generate through their vacuum lines. A testament to design simplicity and effectiveness, the Hg5 series of amalgam separators is a sedimentation device which provides a safe and economical solution to the mercury discharge problems from dental offices. A passive system, the Hg5 series needs no regular or daily maintenance, and no tools are required to replace the full container. The SolmeteX Hg5 series is installed between the chairs and the vacuum pump, usually in close proximity to the vacuum pump. Wastewater and air from the chairs enter into the air-water separator, or top section, where the liquids and the solids are separated from the airflow. The liquids and the solids then transfer into the container, where the solids fall to the bottom. Additionally, the liquid is forced by gravity up through the flow-restricting pipe. The liquid is then reintroduced into the airflow. All this is accomplished without any loss of vacuum. When the sediment level reaches the full line indicated on the container, it's time to replace the collection container. What makes the Hg5 series so effective? A recognized leader in the development and manufacture of heavy metal separation technologies, SolmeteX is the only scientific company in the amalgam separator industry. SolmeteX has a long history of successful applications involving advanced separation technologies, and is the only company in the industry with a clear scientific understanding of the complex issues surrounding amalgam and amalgam separators. Designed by leading chemists and engineers, the Hg5 series was developed through extensive market research, beta testing, and careful analysis of more than 2,000 samples of dental vacuum line wastewater. As a result, the SolmeteX Hg5 and Hg5 Mini are both ISO 11143 certified to a greater than 99% mercury capture rate, and are the simplest and easiest to use separators on the market. The Hg5 series may be mounted on the wall or freestand on the floor. Additionally, the system is flexible enough to be mounted in either the right or left orientation. Installation requires a small amount of assembly, as the system must be attached to the mounting bracket. When installing, dentists should pay attention to the orientation of the system, as the container will need to be serviced when the solids reach the full line. Easy access will make the container change an easier process. Once the air-water separator is mounted, attach the container by lining up the top holes of the container with the ones in the air-water separator and pushing the container up in place. Then slide in the 2 pins to hold the container into place. Each Hg5 series system comes with a complete set of operations and installation instructions. Also, important manuals and reference materials are available as PDF files on the SolmeteX.com website. The Hg5 series makes it easy to properly dispose of a used container through a comprehensive recycling program. When the solid level reaches the full line, a new container is required. The dental practice then orders a new container with recycle kit through their sales rep. Replacing the container is an easy process that involves removing the full container and placing it in a sealable plastic bag, installing the new container, and sending the full one off for recycling. Also, be sure to wear protective gloves during the entire container replacement process. SolmeteX offers a series of products to meet the needs of different dental practices. When recommending the SolmeteX Hg5 series, be sure to consider the number of chairs using the vacuum system and space requirements. The Hg5 Mini is ideal for the metropolitan practice where space is at a premium. Designed to fit in a lab's cabinetry, the Hg5 Mini stands 21.5 inches tall and services up to 4 chairs. The larger model, Hg5, stands 29 inches tall and services up to 10 chairs. When space is not an issue, SolmeteX recommends the Hg5 system. For sales reps who service larger clinics and dental schools with hundreds of chairs, SolmeteX provides larger systems. Dentists who use an Hg5 series of amalgam separators should also use a non-oxidizing line cleaner in order to comply with sewage discharge regulations. A list of recommended line cleaners can be found on the SolmeteX website. What makes the SolmeteX Hg5 series of amalgam separators such a good investment for dental practices? Let's review the reasons. The Hg5 series offers more effective particulate removal, which increases pump life. The system is easy to install with flexible mounting. The Hg5 series meets or beats all existing ISO 11143 requirements. Used container recycling is simple and easy with no middleman required. Everything is documented to protect the dentist, the dealer, and SolmeteX. Very little maintenance is needed to operate the system. SolmeteX offers unrivaled support for its product line. SolmeteX is the only company with a clear scientific understanding of the issues surrounding amalgam and amalgam separators. A proven technology from an acknowledged leader in the mercury removal and amalgam separator industry, the SolmeteX Hg5 series of amalgam separators is good for the patient, good for the dental practice, and good for the environment. When it comes to regulatory compliance, with simple,